I'm just trying to see whether this is parallel to the screen, and I think it is. Anyway, hi guys. I'm filming this video in July 2025, and it's been exactly 2 years. In July 2023, I officially left my 9 to 6 job in Singapore. It honestly felt like it was just yesterday. In 2020, when I first started working, I was taking home a salary of $2,160 a month. And when I left it, it was at $2,680 to be exact. Those years really shaped how I think about money, how to stretch every single dollar, budget tightly, and still save towards that bigger dream. Hoping that one day all of these side projects that I'm doing will eventually lead to that break in my life. Now, when I look at my Notion finance tracker and I see a 5-figure month, it feels surreal. It still feels very surreal to me, even though I've been making 5 figures for the past few months. But I always remind myself that it didn't happen overnight. It came with late nights of editing videos after work, saying no to weekend plans to my friends, and sometimes even my family as well, and a lot of trial and error because nobody else is actually doing this. Even now, after experiencing this growth, I'll be very honest with you guys that I carry some of the money habits from that phase that are not the healthiest. I struggle to find a balance. In fact, I'm still trying to do that right now, to enjoy a little bit more, to remind myself that I'm no longer in survival mode, but instead I can thrive doing what I'm doing right now. It wasn't an overnight success, and I hope that this encourages you, because if you are still in the early stages of your own money journey like I was back then, know that I've been there, and if a nobody like me can do it, so can you guys. In today's video, I'm going to break down my June income and investments. As always, I'm going to be as transparent as I can be. Without further ado, let's dive straight into June Money Diaries. Let's go. Let's start off with investments. I have actually bought quite a bit of shares in the month of June, namely OCBC, because I didn't have any stake in this bank. I do hold DBS and UOB. Not a recommendation to buy. Yeah, I'm doing this after my own research and reviewing my plans for the long term. So 1,000 shares at $16.11. Then Fraser Centrepoint Trust 2,500 because I had to liquidate it off one platform, and then I bought back on Moomoo Singapore because it's still a REIT that I believe in and want to hold at least until the end of the year. And yes, I use Moomoo Singapore to invest in the Singapore stock market, and for a period of time, I also use any dividends received to reinvest using their regular savings plan feature into the US stock market. It's the platform that taught me everything I wanted and needed to know as a beginner to the investing world, with all the resources, guides, and most recently, Moomoo AI offering instant answers when you ask it questions. From technical analysis to summarizing financial data of a stock to simply just asking them what is the company all about and whether it's the right time to buy, it pulls together information that is data-driven and in real time based on market news and more. Whether you're a trader, value, or long-term investor, even if you're a beginner, ask Moomoo AI questions and let it assist you on your investment journey. Moomoo now has 1 in 2 Singapore users on its platform, and it isn't too late for you to join 1.5 million others to invest on a platform that is ever growing and improving for its users. It's Singapore's 60th birthday, and Moomoo is riding on it to offer new users up to $1,120 worth of sign-up rewards. You can simply choose a deposit amount, whether it's $3,000, $10,000, or $500,000, and you receive up to $550 worth of NVIDIA shares and an additional $550 worth of trading cash coupons. You also get another $20 worth of NVIDIA shares exclusively when you use my sign-up link or scan this QR code over here. And fret not if you have already signed up but have not made a deposit before. You can simply search deposit, click on go, and enter this code Demi88, and you'll be entitled to this new user rewards as well. I'll leave more details down in the description box below. CSPX, QQQM, and those are recurring purchases every single month. So all in all, in the month of June, I invested a total of $23,302. Some of it came from June income, some of it was from my stash of cash set aside, funds that I want to deploy into the stock market anyway. So all in all, that's my investments, and let's go to income. As usual, I have 8 income streams with one category named as others. and we'll start with the smallest and work our way upwards. Cashback gave me a little over $260. The same two sources I always get it from every single month is from Trust Bank. When you use my promo code to sign up, I do get that same scratch card that gives me a minimum of $5 and up to $1,000. This is not an affiliate program, it's the open referral that even you have as a Trust Bank customer as well. HSBC Everyday Global Savings Account Gyro to pay off my credit card bills earns me 1%, but just a heads up, it's about to drop to 0.5%. I'll put more details down in the description box below. Dividends from investing into 2 stocks paid me a little under $500, Fraser Centrepoint Trust and Mapletree Pan Asia Commercial Trust. This part of my income is the most passive. In this recent video, I shared how my dividends for 2025 will fully pay off all of my fixed expenses, stuff like Netflix, YouTube Premium, mine and my mom's phone bill, and more. You can find out from that video, but it's a great stream of income to build, and eventually at the end of this year I will share with you guys how much did I receive in total and what did I use that money for. Interest income is $686.02, coming from a mix of savings tools that I use. Singapore Savings Bond investing into the December 2022 and 2023 tranche paid me $230.60. High yield savings account UOB a little under $200. Mary Bank participating in a promotion gave me $263.02. Other income was a little over $750, selling a little bit of stuff on Carousel, UOB tax cashback promotion, and selling away Keppel Corp on one of the investment platforms. Digital products was a little over $800. This includes sales from both my Notion Finance Tracker, which is what you see on screen right now, and my annual budgeting spreadsheet that I used to use that runs on Google Sheets or Excel. Ever since I switched to Notion, I'm never going back to an Excel sheet ever again. Visually, yes, it's a lot nicer, but what I really love about this tracker is being able to record an expense on the go by simply double tapping the back of my iPhone. If you're an Android user, don't worry, I created this tracker with a quick button so you can just open your Notion app on your mobile phone, add an income, add an expense, or add a transfer transaction. This is great if you dread managing your finances because you leave it to the end of the week or end of the month to reconcile, where you have to sit down, open up all your banking apps, and key into an Excel sheet. If that's your inertia to get started when it comes to managing your money, I hope this tracker helps. Some of you have DM'd me to say that it's a little bit expensive at $42.90. Unfortunately, I'm not able to lower the price. It's many hours of my time and my life spent creating the perfect tracker, in my opinion. And the Apple shortcut was actually coded by my brother. So it's a one-time purchase that includes a free guide to set it up. And if there are any updates, I will roll it out for free as well. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Treat this like an investment. So if you want to get it, I'll put a link down in the description box below. Google AdSense revenue for uploading 4 YouTube videos paid me $889.95 after deducting US taxes. I still have to account for Singapore's taxes at the end of the year. Sponsorship income was $2,900. Passion project was a little above $2,900. Not something I can further elaborate anymore, but know that I'm a financial consultant, and because I value honesty and transparency, this income stream comes from that. Affiliates from working with brands I use on an everyday basis is my largest income stream that paid me $8,810. Most of the time, this is the bigger income stream amongst others, and it's not usually the case for creators. If you just search on YouTube, it mostly comes from brand deals, but I want to work towards not having to rely on brand deals. Instead, affiliate income for sharing the things that I use on a daily basis is something that I want to be my largest income stream, and it has been for the past year or so. Some of you have actually asked me, how do you get started with affiliates? For me, I began making YouTube videos where I shared openly the tool that I'm using for my finances, and over time, some of these brands have actually reached out to me, and I took it on gladly because it's something I'm already using and it doesn't take much of an effort to share. So this is affiliate income for me. But I think a simple way that you can get started is actually on Shopee affiliates. If you share with your own Instagram followers the things that you're using and they click on your link to buy a certain product, you earn some affiliate income as well. That is considered affiliate marketing already. So that's something that you can try and get started with. If not, put yourself out there with content that is unique to you, and this will eventually come. Don't rush the process, trust in the process, and be consistent with it. So that's it. I've made a total of $18,579.95. This is 7 times more than the income that I used to make at my full-time job just 2 years ago. Still blows my mind to this day, really, especially knowing where I came from. But I hope this gives you a glimpse into how income can grow in unexpected ways when you take small steps consistently. As always, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below, or you can join me over at my Telegram community, which I've just started earlier this year as well. I'll put the QR code over here, and I'll catch you guys in my video next week. As always, have a great week ahead, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.